currently in the garden of dreams, waiting to see if the seagull will eat the cooked onion or the raw onion. Some say the cooked, some say the raw.
I vote for raw. I vote for the raw onion.
I'm going cooked because it has the strongest smell, and I believe seagulls to have a very intelligent sense of smell.
So here we are.
I feel like I'm still looking.
Guys,
still
let
on
me
it.
down. Seagulls let me down.
This guy's he's come for the bread. He's come for the
Oh
bread.
my god! No!
No,
Yes! Yes! Shit!
No,
The
onions!
onions! The onions!
Go to the onions!
The onions!
Why?
What's going on? I'm just like, yeah, I don't know.
Right, what's the plan now?
Move the onion, mate. Penguin? A penguin would have the raw one. That's for sure.
Would it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd go with that as well.